Hey guys, good morning and happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing for you and it is a Chanel brooch as you can see from the title. I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my very thoughtful husband because he knew I've always wanted to have a Chanel brooch. I was actually on a waiting list at a Chanel inside of Bloomingdale's back in 2015, and I've always been waiting for them to call me back, but I never received a call back. It might be because from what I remember, there were at least 20 people ahead of me, or it could be more. Fast forward to present time. If you want a Chanel brooch or any of their costume jewelry, you need to go to a boutique because you might be able to find this online, but you can't buy them online. Also, I want you to take note that the prices online looks cheaper than when you actually buy them at the boutique. And also you have to consider the taxes. My recommendation is you either make an appointment or go there early. My experience at our local boutique, once you reach your turn, an SA will greet you. She will then ask you what you wanted and bring you to that particular area where that items are. So I was actually surprised that when I said I just wanted to see brooch, everything there was just brooch. She pulled out 3 drawers and I was actually kind of underwhelmed because there's just a few brooches there. Like the selection was not that great. And I asked her, is there anything more? And she said, she pointed out this wall of brooches. And I was thinking to myself, I've always been looking for a brooch for this for the longest of time. I should pick something. I did find something like a brooch that has this kind of coating, like an enamel coating, and I feel like, okay, this is sparkly, it's beautiful. It's not what I'm looking for, but it's still beautiful, and I was gonna just settle with that. But I think she noticed that I wasn't that like satisfied, and so she told us to like walk around and see if we could find something else. And as we were walking around, I was also trying to check out if they have the cocoa handle. I didn't see a cocoa handle on the display, so that's one thing that I was kind of also underwhelmed. And then I also wanted to see more of the jacket, the Chanel jackets. But the colors, there's only one color that I like there. It was the black jacket. And we even reached the fine jewelry section. It's really beautiful. It's very expensive, but it gave me an idea. And then, so as we were walking around, I saw this one unique piece, and I've always wanted something unique. Before I went to the boutique, I was actually checking out online because I don't want to get something that is very common. I wanted something like a unique piece, and finally I found this gold piece, and so that's what I got. And she actually told us that that's the only piece that was left in the US. So I think it's kind of a little bit special that I have the last piece of that design. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So guys, here's the paper bag with its holiday ribbon, and this is a true unboxing. Hey guys, as I was unboxing, I didn't realize that it wasn't recording, so I have to start all over again. So I have not seen what's inside. Obviously, the last time I've seen this is at the boutique, so this is a true unboxing, except that I did undo the bow. So let's go ahead. As you can see, there's a card here. This is where they would place your receipt. And if I turn this around, you can see that's how much this item cost. Let's put that aside. And let's go ahead and just remove the bow again. So I can see that there's a felt. Every time you get a costume jewelry from Chanel, they always place this in this kind of felt. Okay, let's put that aside and let's see what's inside. Okay, this is interesting. It's the first time I've received a card. It's probably care instruction. Just put that there. Oh my god, here it is. Look how beautiful that is. I don't think the camera is capturing how beautiful this is. It's so sparkly. So here's the brooch in all its glory, and I actually placed a measuring tape so you guys can see. It's approximately 2 inches and a quarter. So the height of this brooch is 1.5 inches. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Happy New Year, everyone, and bye for now.